Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Oblivion Remastered Unreal process has crashed. First thing I want you to do is launch up Steam. I'll show you two ways. You just right click on your game, okay, click on properties, and then come here to install files and click on verify integrity of game files. Now the reason we're doing this is to make sure that all the game's files were installed correctly, otherwise it causes issues and there's nothing that is corrupt, okay? Now the second thing I want you to go ahead and do is go to NVIDIA or AMD websites, and then basically we just need to download the latest graphics card driver. The reason for this is whenever a new game launches, GPU manufacturers often release drivers to fix some issues and offer basically essential compatibility features. So that sometimes causes an issue. So go ahead and select your graphics card and download the necessary drivers. Usually that fixes the issues as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.